I've heard about this funky little Indonesian joint that is run by two daughters and their mom. This is Hardena.
This place is amazing. Everything is good.
Here you go, your rich apple.
This is my mom's competition right here.
This home cooking comes from Indonesia, where Anna Wajojo grew up. She ran a restaurant at the Indonesian Embassy in New York before owning this place, along with her daughters, Melia and Diana. So it's you three doing the show, taking care of business.
We've been conditioned since we were babies.
How would you describe Indonesian food to folks?
A cross between Indian and Thai.
We have influence from the Chinese. We also have some Dutch influence.
Can I get an order of tempeh fritters?
Tempeh is traditional Indonesian food.
It's really unusual to get fresh tempeh in America.
It's almost like junk food, but it's not.
I've never made tempeh.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you. If you're familiar with tofu, tempeh is the unprocessed.
Unprocessed
Yeah.
tofu.
You
Okay.
actually get the whole beans. We remove the hull.
It's you and me.
Yeah. We have to soak the soybeans overnight. Boil for about 2 hours. Skim off the foam.
Okay.
Drain the water.
I can start to see the hull coming
Yeah.
off them. So the hulls float. I knew there was gonna be a method to the madness. This has been made for thousands of years and I'm just learning it. Now we're gonna boil them one more time.
Just to soften it up a little bit more.
Got it.
These are the beans that have been dried. If it's wet, it won't ferment.
Fermenting is a real key here.
It breaks down the proteins and gives it another layer of flavor.
Did anybody trade lunch with you at school?
No,
When you rolled up with the tempeh fritter, people were like, I'm having bologna.
we're gonna put our yeast in there, put it in the bag. Then you wanna poke some holes so that the yeast can breathe. So now we leave it for about 2 days.
Gonna funk up and then turn into a big old loaf inside of this.
Yep.
All right, so what are we making next?
So the Indonesian name is achar. Spicy pickled veggies. Sugar. This is sambal ula. Salt here, water, vinegar, cabbage,
Cucumber,
red peppers.
carrots, and canned pineapple.
We like the juice.
I got it.
We let it sit for a few hours.
Next thing,
Tempeh.
now, is it always that warm?
So when it ferments, it creates
Its own heat. Oh, so I'm fermenting all the time.
So we're gonna make the batter. Flour, a little bit of turmeric, some garlic powder, salt, pepper, 1 egg,
Got it.
water here, scallions, cut the tempeh. You see the beans here?
And what did you call the white stuff inside?
Mycelium.
Your psyllium, my psyllium, their psyllium.
Tempeh goes in.
And then we're gonna fry it. Dynamite. I'm telling you, the first time you ever tried tempeh, you should come here and try it. It's got delicious texture. It's a bit nutty. I love the batter with the green onions. You get that little herbaceous kick. A little pickled veggie, that little acid kick. Fantastic.